about the Vivaldi piece, the violin solo, the level 1 in G minor. It's got some tricky measures. I'm going to point them out to you if you want to write them down. Measure 35 and 36, and 37 and 38. I would definitely go over those measures slowly. There are 2 measures that are the same, and then they're repeated at a different dynamic level and then a different bowing, and also a different hand position. So it's a little tricky. I would definitely look at those. Then I would jump down to measure 41, 42, doing those string crossings, do them very slowly. And there's a largamente there, so even when you perform the solo, you can slow down a little bit in this passage. I would also work on 44, the 5th, tuning the 5th at the end of that measure. This also happens in the end of measure 46. Tune that 5th. Playing a perfect 5th is really tricky. You're playing it with one finger across the string, and when you tune, you're literally just bending the tip of your finger around the fingerboard, trying to make it sound correct. I would use a tuner. Definitely tune the 5th before you just try to play it. So that's the first page. Those are the measures on the first page. Looking at the second page, I would definitely look at measure 65, 66, 67. A little bit tricky there. It's similar situation to the first page of measure 35, where you're playing a passage and then you're going to play it again and you're playing it differently. Same notes, just different style. So that's 65, 66, 67, and then it would be measure 70, 71, and 72 for sure. Yeah. Measure 94 is a little bit tricky. I would definitely go over measure 94 slowly. And that's really it for like the really tricky measures of this piece. So now I'll play the whole thing for you.